So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take money out of Top Cashback. So to withdraw money from Top Cashback, it really is quite simple. But firstly, what you'll need to do is if you click account here and then select on earnings, it will then give you a record of all your cashback and what the status of that payment is. So sometimes you might need to wait for some cashback to become payable, as usually you might have to wait a few weeks while it's pending in order for your cashback to become payable. But if it is payable, as you can see here, we've got £41 that we can redeem from Top Cashback. So if you've got payable cashback to claim, you'll get this message here. And then really quite simple, you can click Pay Now, and then it'll open you up to the payment dashboard. And then you can go ahead and accept the payout from here. Again, you might need to add bank details if you haven't already got it, or you can also use PayPal as well. But it is really quite simple. You just fill out the details, and then once you've done that, you'll then be given this message here, and then you should see the payable cashback in your account within a few business days. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thanks again for watching.